So it's got the black interior. I was looking for red, but they're just really hard to find. Really hard to find the red interior. I wanted a sunroof too, so. What's up, YouTube? So it's a pretty big day for the Hellcat today. When I was looking for a used Hellcat online, there were several things I was looking for in a car. If I was going to do this, I wanted it to be perfect. And the three main things were I wanted it to be white, I wanted it to have a sunroof, and I wanted it to have the factory red interior. So that turned out to be a pretty rare combination of options, and I was just having a really hard time finding one like that. Even looking nationwide, I was considering, flying somewhere and driving it back, and I just wasn't finding that combination of options. So I decided to forego the red interior, and that really opened things up a lot, and I was able to find this one with the black interior. But as a result, I decided to withhold some money from the down payment so I could get the interior redone on the aftermarket. So that's what I'm doing today. I'm getting Katzkin Leather installed. That's Katzkin with a K, and I'll put a link to them in the video. But they're going to do, I wanted it to look as factory as possible, so they do the center suede strip with the black outer edge of the seat. They do both front and back. They also do the suede inserts in the doors in the front and back. So that's going to be red, and I'm a little nervous about it because they actually totally remove the factory material. They don't just lay on top of that. So they cut out the factory material, and it's not usable once they do that. The other thing I wasn't really too happy about was they can't do the embroidery like the SRT or the Hellcat logos like that's on the seat right now that you see there. So they're not licensed for that. I found some places online that will do custom embroidery in the headrest to put the Hellcat logo or the SRT logo there. I'm also probably going to get some pillows that go on the headrest that have the Hellcat and the SRT logo in them, kind of like this. Same place that does these also does the pillows. So, but yeah, I'm gonna drop it off. It takes they do it all in one day, so I'm gonna drop it off, have them do it, and when I go to pick it up, I'll show you guys what it looks like. All right, guys, here it is, the new Katzkin red leather interior. Red on the head and the headrest. These are perforated seats, red stitching, red door inserts. You can't find a used one? You got to do it yourself. I just love it. It looks so nice when you're getting in the car. So this is what I have to greet me. Really happy with it. So nice.